Tassimo. Now what is it you need to do when you first get one of these that are brand new? There's things you need to do. And we'll show you how to change the pods. Let's have a look. This is the TAS-45. You've got another paperwork there, the instructions. Two lots of instructions there. A bit about the Brita water filter. And a voucher for some free coffees, yeah. Off the top. Okay, let's unbox this. Got it unboxed. Take the plastic off the chrome part on there. Need to pull this little blue label off there. This side here. Not exactly the cleanest things. This is like it's been used. Maybe they've tested it out. Got these scratches underneath here. I think someone's trying to sell me a used product as new. Okay, so we've got it powered up. So inside these things are made and they can have residue from the manufacturing process hanging around, a bit of, grease and that. So what you do, you fill up your water container. Don't put the Brita thing in just yet. Just fill it up with water, put that back on. By the way, when you take this off, at the back inside here is a little pouch. There's an instruction manual for maintenance, but there's also a little disc in there. And I put my disc at the moment in here. Okay, so that's got on there the little program that tells it what it's going to do for a clean. So put the water back in. Okay, and then we need to do a special thing is press this button. Special thing to press this button 4 times and to put the cup there to catch the water. And then when this is done, we need to empty that water and then do it again. So we do this 4 times in all. It basically just means to do the cycle 4 times. So 4 lots of water in a cup, and then that can start to be used. And then we take out the little test cleaner thing and put that in the back.